Alright guys, Mark here. Gonna do the video for the grinder. Let's go live. Let's pick up a clock first. Alright, let's go live. We are live. It is 5:34. Come on. Alright, 5:35. We are live. $5:35. Sorry about that. My computer's been running slow all day. Let's get our list. Sold 10 spots. Got Gene for 1, Anthony for 5, and Tyler for the last 4. We're going to roll 2 dice, no snake eyes. 6, 5, and a 1. I'm going 6 times. 35, 53, so probably going to be 36 on the clock. 36. We're going 6 times. 1. Got 10 items in our list. 36. 2. Gene on top on 2. 3. We got Tyler on top on 3. 4. We got Anthony on top on 4. 5. Tyler on top on 5. Got 36 on the clock. 36. We have been 5 times. We're going 6 times. 6th and final. Good luck. Anthony. Anthony on top after 6. 36 on the clock. We are done. It is 5:37. 5:37. 6 times. Anthony on top. Thanks everyone.